How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you ready?
No, I am not ready yet.
Are you married?
I am not married.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am sick.
Are you sure?
No, I am not sure.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Are you looking for a boyfriend?
I don't need a boyfriend.
When do I start?
You'll start at 9 a.m.
Why don't you ask him?
Because he doesn't know.
Do you want to go to the doctor?
Yes, I do.
Why don't you share it?
Because it's not good for us.